most famous physical therapist on the internet.
Well, hi there, folks. I'm Bob Schultz, physical therapist.
And I'm Brad Heineck, physical therapist.
Together we are the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course, Bob.
The humble opinion.
That's right.
Today we're going to talk about what everyone with hand arthritis should do every day. So we're talking about osteoarthritis.
Where the cartilage is starting to break down, not rheumatoid necessarily.
Right, not necessarily. Although this might help too.
Sure.
We're also going to do a giveaway. By the way, if you are new to our channel, please take a second to subscribe to us. We provide videos on how to stay healthy, fit, pain-free, and we upload every day. And yes, go to bobandbrad.com, go to the giveaway section. This week we're giving away a far infrared heating system. We're going to show you more of this later.
We'll hide it.
Yeah, we'll hide it right now. Go to Facebook. It'll be pinned to the top of the page, the contest that is. Go to Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok if you want a 60-second version of our program. All right, this is very simple, Brad. This isn't that complicated.
Well, simple is best.
Right. And I also wanted to make it fairly short so that it's easy for you to do. Everything's...
Well, the viewers always say we babble too much, so we're going to see if we can counter that on this video.
So basically, what I want you to do with the arthritis, you're going to heat it and you're going to move it.
Yeah.
Because both of those should help with the pain and the mobility.
Right.
The thing is, a lot of times people think that with arthritis, it's better to rest it.
Yes.
No, it's much better to move it. It gets the synovial fluid moving, and well, it creates synovial fluid even, I heard to some extent.
It's like our friend Adrian Lowe said, motion is lotion. Did he coin that, do you think? Or?
I don't know. I've been hearing it for...
He's a pain specialist.
I've been hearing it for 100 years. So, by the way, I'm going to do a future video too on how to protect your hands.
Okay, good.
So we'll go live. So the first thing, to heat it, we got a couple of options here, free ones. You take a sock, preferably a clean one. This is clean, Brad.
Yeah, that big one.
Yeah, I took a big one.
Long, like a knee sock, or what do they call them in high school? They called those knee socks. Tube socks.
Tube socks, that's right. So I filled it with minute rice.
Minute rice.
Yeah, pre-cooked, isn't that? No, that's already cooked, right?
Just put some rice in there, but don't
put it
cook
in there.
it. Yeah. Uncooked. Completely uncooked.
Yeah, and then you just put it in the microwave, heat it up, and this creates a nice little warm thing you can hold on to in your lap.
It is amazing. I've had a lot of patients do this, but make sure, like, he's got a knot tied, and then he double socked it, so he's got a double layer, and for your wives, you can smack on your husbands.
Yeah, that's right.
If they don't behave.
Hit them with the ugly stick. This actually works well for your neck, too.
Oh, yeah. That's the beauty of this. It conforms, around the neck, around the shoulder. And, depending on the size socks, you can kind of make that different sizes.
It kind of smells good, too, after you...
And you can continue to use it many times,
multiple times. And you can actually freeze it, too. Yeah. It's not that cold. When
it doesn't work as good as a cold pack. And don't leave it in there for like an hour, though, cooking it, because something's going to happen.
Another thing, you just, even when your hands are in the sink, if you're doing dishes, dishwasher, it's a good time to do the exercises, actually, in hot water.
Yep.
If you
Plus, you get some work done.
Right. And the final way to heat it up is the best way, but it is all by far the most expensive way.
Right.
And that's why we're doing a giveaway. It's the far infrared heating system by Thermotex. So the thing about infrared heat, I'm going to grab do you want to grab the
Yes, I do, Bob. I want to.
The thing about that is it's penetration. Regular heat, if you've seen our channel, regular heat only penetrates surface.
Skin deep,
Skin deep, yep. So that resembles what it does.
Skin deep.
Represents. That's what I was looking for.
Now let's go to the...
Yeah, now this side, 2.36 inches. Did I get it right?
Yeah, 2.36. What else would it be?
I don't know.
We don't want to do metric. Yeah, we should do metric, but we'll...
So you look at that. Look at how much that would penetrate through the hand. That would go all the way through the hand,
exactly.
Brad. And
plus, when you wrap it in a muff, and we'll show you this looks like unmuffed, but you can put both hands in there. You can get both hands fully heated, and you'll do this for 30 to 40 minutes.
And it's going from both sides.
Right.
It's going from underneath. There's panels on both sides there.
So, just... there you go.
Yeah.
So, there's 3 panels here. You have to use this side. That's the thing with far infrared. It's not like your conventional.
And it's Radiant.
Radiant heat.
So it
yes.
actually, you don't have to be right. You don't have to have it conform right to you.
It doesn't have to
Yeah.
touch your skin to get the heat.
It's one temperature.
Yep.
But the cool thing about
there.
this is that it is so versatile, the Platinum model, because you can use it on your back, your neck, your quadricep, whatever's on it. Brad and I both have one that we have in our respective chairs at home, and we sit down, we turn it on, and you get a treatment for a couple hours while you're watching TV.
Yeah, put it in especially in the wintertime.
Yeah.
It's like you kind of look forward to it.
We're kind of getting away from our topic here,
Yeah, let's
but I just want to let you know it serves two purposes. So the exercises, now that you've heated up, we're 6 simple exercises. This was called the 6-pack at Mayo Clinic when I worked there.
I thought it would be like something from Wisconsin called a 6-pack.
Yeah, no kidding.
But anyways, they're
That'd
next
be a
door.
sporty or a 12-pack. All right, so the first one, let's take them through it, Brad.
Yep.
So we're going to do the tabletop.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then you go right up into the claw. That's number 2. So you're bending these last 2 joints here, basically.
Right. This is focusing. This is this is done
Claw.
scientifically.
And you can just 10 times, 5 to 10 times, just you're trying to get things moving.
Both hands at once.
Yep, both hands at once.
You can do a mirror image.
I'm just showing one.
I've got a trigger finger, and it's going pretty good. But this is helpful for that. I can, you can tell it's
right. It's
works
good
out
to
as well.
warm it up. All right, next one, full grip. So you're going to squeeze all the way shut. Now you've got all the joints working. And
So
again,
wrap
5 to 10
the
times.
thumb around the fingers.
Yep.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. Now, when you're boxing, you know this, Brad. You're right. You're not supposed to use your thumb.
Oh, Bob, of course I know that.
Of course,
it hurts your thumb. When you're a kid, though, I always thought that was how to. We digress.
All right, now abduction. So we're going to spread the fingers apart and together, apart and together, apart and together. Very good. Now you're going to touch each finger. This is a good one for the thumb. Touch the tips of each finger.
Doesn't matter whether you start with the pinky finger
no,
or the pointer.
I usually like to go one way and then right back the other way.
Work it back and forth.
Okay. I like to do a couple with the thumb itself too, Brad.
Wow.
I just like to do this one where you actually just go out away from the body like that. Yeah. I can show it 2 different ways here.
Well, the thumb,
No, you're going to do it that way too, Brad. But this way,
yeah,
and also extension.
Sure. Yeah.
So Brad's already moving ahead here, but
sorry,
that works. So this way, and if you want, you can even slide it across, do a little flexion.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The thumb is, got quite a few
look
muscles.
like you're lacking motion that way.
Well, what am I supposed to do?
You were supposed to go to the 5th finger.
Well, I can't do that. Look at that. That's hard.
See,
I get a cramp in my
that.
thenar eminence. That's where those muscles are.
Can you do it on the other one?
Of course.
You've got a lacking.
Well, Bob, that's because there's so much muscle in that hand. Strong like bull. It just doesn't.
All right, there's some bull being flung around here, but it's not strong like bull.
Yeah, but anyway, you got to have some fun with your exercises.
Right. Remember, Brad and I can fix just about anything
except for
broken heart.
And 8 minutes and 30 seconds, not bad for us.
Yeah, that's a record.